Hey y'all, it's Raegan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that red button down below and subscribe. Join the family. I try my very best to post 3 videos a week. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. But today's video is very exciting. I've been waiting to film this video because I've been out of town for a little while. But before I tell you what it is, I want to give a shout out to my friend Chandler White. She actually requested this video, so I'm doing it for you. So without further ado, today's video is, well, you already know from the title, but it is a mystery box unboxing video. I paid over $50 on eBay for these 2 boxes and I don't know what's in them. It was probably a waste of money, but we shall see. I ordered 2 mystery boxes because I wasn't really brave enough to spend a bunch of money, but I figured I would get 2 kind of like cheaper boxes. I mean, over $50 is still not that cheap, but I figured I would get 2 cheaper ones and just see like what's going on, because you know, I'm not brave enough to spend $100, $1,000 on some random box that someone's making for me on eBay. Can you hate a girl? No, because I'm sure none of y'all would buy it either. But I just want y'all to know how much I do love y'all because I wasted $50 on these boxes. Maybe it's not a waste. It probably is. So the first box I got is this bad boy right here. It looks pretty promising. It's very, very heavy, very like thick. I think there's gonna be some good stuff in it. This one was $30 and then with shipping it was like 32 something. But the next one I'm pretty mad about. Okay, so the little title on eBay said mystery box, $25. So I was like, okay, $25 isn't a ton, but you know, I still don't want to waste it. Please look what came in the mail. Does this look like a box to you? At least they had the courtesy to draw a little question mark on the package. So don't have high hopes for this one. It's not even a dang box. And I spent $25 on this. It better wow me or I'm writing them a bad review. I think we should start with the bad one. So let's go ahead. So I'm just gonna rip it open. Moment of truth. Okay. So there's a bunch of little things inside, if you can see, and they like, okay, well these little packages are kind of cute. I like me some animal print, and then they have little red bows on it. Okay, let's pull out the first one, see what it is. Maybe it'll be good. It's some earrings. They look like something you would buy at the Dollar Tree. Okay, awesome. Oh, it came with a matching necklace. Let's not forget that. Maybe my mom would wear this because my high school colors are green and she's all about some green stuff, so maybe I'll just give this to her. Okay, well, that was kind of a disappointment. Okay, next one. Let's hope for something better in this one. Okay, this is not that bad. I got a mobile phone stand. It does have some weird little creatures on it. Y'all see these creatures? If you know what these creatures are, please let a girl know, because I'm thinking maybe Star Wars, because that kind of looks like Pikachu. This little package has some more things in it. Let's see. I got another one. This time it's the same creatures wearing black. That time they were wearing green. What the heck's this? Does this go with these? I don't know. Do these go with this? Do they like fit together? This has nothing on it, like no wording, nothing. Well, maybe I'm gonna use it probably. I'm just gonna put a sticker on it, like a cute sticker, and we're gonna cover up these little creatures. So far, that's the best thing I've gotten, but it's not over yet. We got one more. I think this is a little coin purse. Not hating it though, I like pink. So it says, you light up my day. Okay, this is kind of cute. I would actually use this. You can like store your phone charger in here, or like some headphones, like keep them from getting tangled up with other stuff. Okay, this isn't bad. I kind of like this. I got something else though. Not sure what this little sucker is. They both say from China, so I'm no good and well. The people who bought this for me did not spend that much money. I think these are ponytail holders, but I don't know when I would use a ponytail holder with like a jewel on the end. Maybe you can wear them as a bracelet. I don't know. Maybe I can take the little charm off. Ponytails are pretty good. Overview of what we got. 2 phone stands with this little weird contraption that I don't know what it's for. 2 bedazzled little charm ponytail holders. This old lady-ish necklace set with earrings. And this cute little pouch. This is probably my favorite thing. I'm probably gonna use this. $25, was it worth it? Probably not, but it wasn't horrible. It was kind of bad, but it wasn't horrible. On to the good stuff. I have high hopes for this $30 box right here. I gotta get some scissors and open it though. I got my little bad boy scissors. Break into it. Open it up. Oh, this little note says Raegan. Enjoy. Alec. But that was sweet. Okay, already liking this one better. Okay. Mint 3D printing pen. This is one of those suckers that you like write with and like wax comes out or something like that, and you can like make creatures in 3D. I don't know if you can see it, but this sucker is cool. I don't know how much they cost, but this is already blowing my mind. I don't know if I'm even gonna use that because it looks hard, but that's pretty awesome. Y'all, this is cool. Next item. Okay, what the heck is this? A cookie cutter? Yeah, I don't know what this is. He's holding this little chemical potion with a skull on it. Next thing. Well, this is cute. I got matching. Oh, not matching. They're not matching. I got these little necklaces. One for my sister and one for my mom. I love you to the moon and back. And the sister says, I love you to the moon and back. Oh, you best believe I'm about to give these to my mom and sister because I don't want them. They probably don't want them either, but it's the thought that counts, right? Too bad I have two sisters, and so one of them's gonna be butthurt. The next thing I got is this little thingy. What is this? I don't know what the heck that is. Okay, then I got a Halloween themed little magnetic notepad. I'm probably gonna stick this on my fridge and make like a little grocery list with it. So, a little Halloween notebook. Okay. Next. He really did fall theme this box. This is adhesive wood shapes. And they're leaves, but they're wood, but they stick onto things. That's kind of cool. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but this is a very creative box. He got me the 3D pen, he got me some decorative little stick-ons. I mean, I feel like he really thought, what would a girl want? Last thing, a book. The autobiography of Benjamin Franklin. Cool. Someone obviously gifted this to a guy because it says right here in the cover, Steve Walton. Enjoy, live to learn. Awesome. Probably not gonna read this. I'll probably sit this out on my steps downstairs and someone else can take it. Okay, well that is it. Overview of what I got. This mom and sister charm necklace thing. This little cookie cutter shape. The little 3D pen thing that's pretty cool when you think about it. This is probably the most exciting thing that I got. This little contraption that I have no idea what it goes to. Just legit this tiny little piece of something. Like, I paid $30. I got the Halloween magnetic little notepad, wood stick-ons, and a book about Benjamin Franklin. Overall, I think that was a waste of $50. On the bright side, I did get this little cool thing that I'll probably never use. And I got a little pouch, which was kind of cool, and a little stand for my phone. Will I do this again? Probably not. Did I have fun? Not really. Did you have fun? I hope so, because I just wasted $50 for y'all. And that is the end of this mystery unboxing video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I don't feel like it was a waste of my time and money. And make sure you hit that red button before you go. And I will see you in my next video. Hopefully it's more of a success than this one was. Bye!